Travis at River Road Animal Hospital with another installment of our how-to series. Today we're going to talk about how to give an injection at home if you ever need to. And this goes for dogs and cats, as well as some other of the mammals, but some of them you probably don't want to try this at home. So Molly is going to start getting some injections for her joints at home. And I had to do a video for the owners on how to do it, so we just figured we would do one for everybody. So this is Molly, and the way we like to give injections at home is we call it sub-Q, which means subcutaneous, which means under the skin. It's pretty simple. It's the same way, if you've ever watched us give vaccines, that we do things. And it is different than the way people get injections, and people usually get them, like if we get vaccines or something, we usually get it right into the muscle because we don't have skin that pulls up the way, say, a dog does, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find an area with some nice loose skin. Molly, I'm going to roll you around so everybody can see, okay? So usually right at the back of the neck is where there's lots of nice loose skin. I'm right-handed, so I usually pick up with my left. And if you see it, when you pick up the skin, you kind of pick it up and it starts to look like, we call this the pup tent. It looks like a little triangle, and if you push your finger right there, that's where, if it was a real tent, you'd go in the door. So you take your syringe, and often these are preloaded, so you don't have to worry. So you're going to stick it into that little area, and before you inject, you're going to pull back. And if you can see that, it's springing back. And that means it's under the skin and you haven't poked all the way through. And also make sure that you haven't, by any chance, hit a vessel and there's no blood coming out. And then you're just, once you do that, you're just going to push it in. And that's it. And then give a nice scratch and tell them how good they are. Yeah. If you had poked all the way through when you pulled back, it would have just kept pulling. So it should pull and spring right back. Pull and spring right back. If it pulls all the way through, when you give that injection, it's going to squirt out onto the fur, and it's never effective that way. Anyway, if you have questions and you need to give shots at home, you can refer back to this video. And Molly says she's hoping her arthritis feels a lot better soon. Thanks.